Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see how you can get premium courses offered by 365 Financial Analyst e-learning platform for absolutely free of cost. So if you want to improve your finance skills, if you want to learn more about finance, if that is your career path, then this might be definitely useful for you. So there are more than 40 finance courses in this platform. You can see here data analysis with ChatGPT, who does what in finance, introduction to Excel, math for finance, accounting and financial statement analysis, fundamentals of financial reporting, financial ratio analysis, introduction to industry and company analysis, equity securities, PowerPoint, financial markets. So there are a lot of courses related to finance here, like corporate finance, investment banking, multiples valuation, LBO modeling. So you can just go through their course catalog here. So all these are finance related courses, and some of them will be like statistics, Tableau and all. So anyway, it will all be some way or other connected to finance. So they'll cover the course in that way. So now you can access all these 40 plus courses for absolutely free of cost. You do not need to pay for anything, but this is a limited time offer. And along with this, they have created role based course tracks. For example, if you want to become a financial analyst, they have a set of 10 courses, or you can just take it and you can also get your certificate of achievement for it. And whatever skills that you learn here will be very helpful if you really want to become a financial analyst. And there are two more career tracks like this. One is investment analyst and the last one is investment banker. So these three career tracks are also available. You can also access these programs for free of cost. In few more seconds, I'll tell you how you can get these career tracks and other online courses offered by 365 Financial Analysts for free. Before that, here is a small update regarding Coursera. So if you want to access courses offered by top companies and universities like Google, Meta, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, HEC Paris, Stanford University, Duke University, then you can just explore this Coursera Plus subscription, because it will give you access to 7,000 plus world-class courses offered by top companies and universities, like I said earlier. And you can also get job ready certification programs and hands-on projects and all. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it. And if you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ. So now let us see how you can access all these courses offered by 365 Financial Analysts for free of cost. So here it is. Until November 20th, 2023, you can get unlimited free access to the entire 365 Financial Analyst platform, which means you can get that 40 plus courses for free. You can also get real world finance projects. You can get certificate of achievement after completing the programs. There will be hands-on exams. 219 plus practical exercises are available for you. More than 100 hours of learning content is available for you in it, and you can learn from world-class instructors. And apart from this, you have resume builder and career guidance and support from 365 Financial Analyst team. So this will also be very helpful for you. So make use of it. Everything is available for free, but only for a limited time, that is until November 20th, 2023. So click on the link in description, go through all the details and come to this page. And once you are here, you can sign up using your Google account or Facebook account or LinkedIn account, or else fill your details here manually, like your name, email address, and set a password for your account, and click on this get started and just log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard like this. So here what you have to do is just click on learn here in the left side, and there will be courses section. So click on courses and it will take you to the course library of 365 Financial Analyst platform, and here you can see all the courses which we just saw now. So all these courses are free to access now. You can just enroll in it and start learning for free. Simply click on the course name in which you want to enroll in. For example, if you want to take this fundamentals of financial markets, just click on it and it will take you to the course page like this. And here you can see from whom you are going to learn, how many lessons are available for you in it, how many practical tasks are available for you in it. And you can see here you can also get a certificate of achievement. So you can get all those course details here. And then once you are ready, you can simply click on the start course button and you can just start learning for free. And after completing the course fully, you can get your certificate as well. So you can access all these courses for free now, like I said earlier. Only thing is, certain courses like around 9 or 8 courses is locked here. So you can see here 8 or 9 courses are locked. So anyway, apart from this, you can access all other courses. If you see here locked, you cannot access this course with this offer, but you can access all other courses. It is available for free. So I hope you'll find this offer very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses or offers that are running in e-learning platforms like this, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out.